What if I told you the moon wasn't always so far away, that once it hung in the sky so close, it looked bigger than Everest? Not just a little closer, but insanely close. Like a supermoon on steroids. When was this? And how did that change everything on Earth? This isn't sci-fi. It's the wild, violent story of our planet's forgotten past. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was hit by something the size of Mars. Theia. The impact was so violent, it vaporized Earth's crust and ejected material into orbit. That debris came together to form the moon. But at first, it wasn't a distant satellite. It was just 22,000 kilometers away, 15 times closer than it is today. And rising over Earth's horizon, it would have looked massive, more than 30 times larger in the sky. If Everest had existed then, the moon would have looked 10 times bigger. The tides, the nights, the sky, completely different. The moon didn't just light up the sky, it pulled Earth's oceans like a slingshot. Tides were 100 feet high. Some coastlines flooded and dried in hours. The moon carved coastlines, fed oceans, and pushed continents. It changed biology and geology. Days were just 5 hours long. That close moon was spinning Earth like a top. And life? It hadn't even started yet. But these extreme tides would eventually create the perfect conditions. So how did this chaotic relationship lead to us? Over millions of years, the moon began to move away. It still is, at 3.8 centimeters per year. Not much now, but back then, it reshaped Earth's climate, oceans, and even geology. As the moon left, days got longer. Tides became gentler. Life began to form in tidal pools where chemistry met motion. The moon's gravity helped churn Earth's oceans, mixing chemicals, creating energy. The first cells didn't emerge in still water, but in places with motion, fluctuation, chaos. That's where life took hold. The moon, indirectly, may be why we're here at all. No moon, no tides. No tides, maybe no life? What if the moon stayed that close? Earth would be a planet of storms. Days would still be 5 hours. Humans? Probably impossible. Cities? Washed away every day. Civilization needs stability, and that stability came when the moon left. Today, coral fossils show ancient tidal rhythms. We've placed reflectors on the moon, and we see it moving. Tidal rock layers prove days used to be shorter. It's written in Earth's crust, waiting to be decoded. Mars has 2 tiny moons. Venus has none. Their climates are wild, unpredictable. Coincidence? Maybe not. Earth's large moon gives us tides, axial stability, a climate that works. No moon, no humans. The moon made Earth. Earth. One day, the moon will be so far, total eclipses will stop. Earth's tides will flatten. Days will grow longer. The moon isn't gone yet, but it's leaving us. Slowly, silently, and nothing can stop it. We look at the moon as a constant, but it wasn't always that way. It was once closer than Everest. It helped shape our oceans, our days, and possibly our lives. The next time you look up, remember, the moon isn't just beautiful. It's part of how we exist. If that changed how you see the moon, imagine what else we've forgotten. Subscribe to Uncharted Realms and uncover the stories written in the stars.